Hi, I'm Murray Legge. I'm a founding member of the public art team Legge, and we're so honored to have participated in this amazing project and to be the first station that is almost complete to have the public artwork installed here at the University of Maryland. Color is a very powerful thing. And here on this artwork we call chromazone. It's kind of play on words, chroma meaning color, and zone is obviously the zone in which you stand in waiting for a train. The University of Maryland colors are yellow and red, and the purple line, all of the lines in the transit system are colored different colors. Purple for the new purple line, which will be installed. So what we wanted to do is create a gradient of color using the University of Maryland colors, yellow and red, and transitioning to purple for the purple line. And it's kind of fun to think about how the colors are placed to basically indicate the direction of the train. So the head of the train stops at the purple within that gradient of color. One of the kind of interesting things about this artwork is that it works with the sun. It changes throughout the day. So on an overcast day, it'll be very kind of quiet and muted. And then as the sun moves across the station, it'll create different patterns and different color projection across people that are waiting for the train and also the columns of the structure itself. There's nothing like seeing it in the actual location with students walking around, the kind of hustle and bustle of university of life happening around it. It's really, really fantastic. It's always something magical about that when you finally see the piece installed for the first time. It's a long time coming. The entire team's very excited about it. When we first saw photos of it under construction, we were all very excited. These projects, especially the larger projects, can take a long time. So there's something very satisfying and incredibly gratifying to see it finally working with the sun and with light and installed even as construction is going on around it. So it's very exciting.